Hi everyone in our high school. I thought I would just do a little tutorial to show you how to connect to our high school platform. So you can see over here, there's going to be a link below this video. It's www.thinkdigitalacademy.org. So when you navigate to that web address, this is what will pop up. And you can see quite simply, you can click on the menu over here. You can see I'm navigating on a phone. It'll be a little bit different on a computer, but not too much. And you can click on the Get Started tab. Right, from here, you can see it opens up with the enroll registration form. So you can click on that link over there. And of course, if you're a new student, you'll click on the first blue block over there. If you're a currently registered student and you're just continuing, you'll click on the second blue block. So I think most of you will go on to the first blue block. And then you can see you fill in the learner's name, surname, ID number, write the username. It will be auto-generated and sent to you later. The parent email, because of the way we're doing it, we obviously have a tutor. So you must please put in your tutor's email address over there. It will be the tutor's email and underneath that the tutor's number, because obviously they will be the ones keeping track of how much work is being done, the assessments and how everything is going and where the children need support as well. Right, and you'll click next and continue from there. So before we do that, I just want to go back one step and I want to just navigate to the fees outline just to kind of show you so everyone knows what's happening, and annual fees. So Think Digital, like, they charge you for the whole year and it's really affordable and it's really nice how they set everything out. Obviously, again, you can always do this course at home, but the way that we are doing it, you've got a tutor at school that can support you. You've got the Wi-Fi. They've got a safe learning space where it's structured instead of them being left to their own devices at home. All right, so I'm going to scroll down a bit here. You can see they now offer 3 different curriculums. So you can click on each tab. There's the British International. I'll close that tab. Now they even have added the United States curriculum, which is fantastic for expat children or people who are traveling. And the third one, which I think most people will go for in South Africa, is obviously the South African CAPS curriculum. So this is annual fees over here. In the first block, you can see annual fees for without online tutor support. This is completely up to you. Obviously, while the children are working, if they need extra support, there's an online tutor that teaches things. This is completely up to you as the parent, which option you would go to. I've always said to the parents, go for the online tutor support, because you never know if you at home, if you want extra support or whatever it is, at least you're getting something extra. And if you look at the difference in the price, it's really, really minimal. So, I mean, grade 7 to grade 9 without tutor support is 8.5. With online tutor support is 9.5. So it's really, really not bad. Just to keep track of any children who are in the FET phase, so between grade 10 and grade 12, you can see over there you have to pay a separate fee for examinations as well, because obviously that's an exit level phase. So let's just be aware of that. If I just scroll down over here, let's imagine we have a child that wants online support. They're in grade 8. Their annual fees are going to be 9,500 Rand a year. And look at the payment scheme over here. It's obviously not broken up per month. You are supposed to pay a 25% deposit up front, and then the next 5 months you pay the rest that is owed. So you don't pay month to month, you pay 25% up front and then you pay month to month. But I mean, when you take the annual fee, it's really, really not bad. And here, of course, are the exit examination fees that I spoke about with grade 10, 11 and 12. And that's it. So please feel free to ask any questions you may have. I know this is an exciting venture, and I think it's a real amazing way to open up so many doors for children. I mean, for instance, if you just go to curricula over here, for instance, the African curriculum, and you look at your subjects, so let's go to FET phase. I mean, you can really go nuts, and you can really go for whatever subjects you'd like to do instead of being limited by those combinations. So yeah, that is it. Please feel free to ask any questions, and I look forward to seeing how this venture is going to unfold and open up incredible opportunities for the children.